Hello everyone, welcome to happymath.com. So today we're going to cover one of the binomial probability example. Okay, so look at this question. You are taking a multiple choice quiz that consists of 5 questions. Each question has 4 possible answers, only one of which is correct. To complete the quiz, you randomly guess the answer to each question. So find the probability of guessing A. Exactly 3 question answers correctly. B. At least 3 answers correctly. C. Less than 3 answers correctly. Okay. So of course we can use calculator and then using the formula, but this time we will solve it using Excel spreadsheet. So I'm gonna organize all those data. So n equal to 5 and then probability. Okay. Out of 4 possible answers, only one is correct, right? Which means we are finding 1 out of 4 answer basically. So it becomes 0.25. And then the cases here, like a 0 question correct, and 1 question correct, 2 question correct, they're all possible cases here. So I'm going to type 0, 1, 2 like that, and then make until 5, okay? Just one more, so until 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then now, the probability, which is binomial. Okay, so B-I-N-O. Then click that. Then, first of all, you choose number, which is 0. Now, comma. And then trial, which is total number of cases, 5, comma. And the probability, comma. So this is the true probability. Then now we need to also find out counter probability. So that's why we click false and then enter. Okay. Then now, but before we moving on, we want to set up n and the probability. We keep using it over and over. Okay. Therefore, now so b2 value you must put $, and then also b3 value you need to put $sign as well, so that we keep using those values over and over. Okay, and now click again and then copy down until 5. Okay, then those are our binomial probability value, and just make sure find total sum here, then equal to 1, then we have a correct probability. Okay, then based on that, let's answer the question. So A, probability exactly 3. So, which means this one. Okay, so that's the only case exactly 3 here. So you just copy down here. Now B, probability at least 3. So at least 3 means 3 is the minimum and more. Okay, so now we have 3, 4, 5, three different cases. So using order sum, and then I highlight 3, 4, 5, the corresponding probability. Then that will be the answer for letter B. Now C, probability less than 3. So less than 3 means it can be 0, 1, or 2, right? So same thing. I'm gonna click order sum and then select 0, 1, and 2 here, and then enter. So that will be the answer for letter C. Okay, so this is how you can find out binomial probability value anyway. Okay, then let's look at one more example. So 59% of men consider themselves professional baseball fan. You randomly select 10 men and ask each if he considers himself a professional baseball fan. So find the probability that the number of who consider themselves baseball fan is A, exactly 8, B, at least 8, and C, less than 8. Okay, so unlike previous question, so this time we got the probability value already, which is 0.59%. So I'm gonna put P as 0.59, and then now 10 men was selected here, so number of n become 10 here, which means when you make an x value, it should be from 0 to 10 instead. So 0, 1, 2, like that, and I'm gonna copy till 10 basically, and just to look a little better, so I'm gonna make middle. Okay. Then now the probability is the same. We are using binomial, so equal to binomial BINO. Okay, binomial distribution, and click number, comma, probability, comma, and oh sorry, we need to click n first. So n, but don't forget we keep using this value, so put dollar sign and comma, and probability also we keep using it, so put dollar sign and comma, then you're using false because now we have true probability, so you find false. Okay, and then I need to make, maybe this time it is really small number, so I can make about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal digit, and click there and copy down until number 10. Okay, so like we did before, just make sure the total sum equal to 1. Yes, it is. So we are on the right track. Okay, so based on that, we can answer the question. So A, so probability exactly 8. So which is 8? So that should be the answer for this problem. Now B, at least. So probability at least 8, which means A is smallest one and then more. Now the ending is 10, so you will combine 8, 9, and 10 basically. So click auto sum, and then I'm gonna click 8, 9, and 10. Okay, enter. Then that should be the answer for this problem. Now C, probability less than 8. Okay. So less than 8 means from 0 through 7. So you click auto sum and then highlight from 0 to 7 and enter. Then that will be the answer for those problems. Okay? So today we cover finding binomial probability example using Excel spreadsheet. I really hope this video helps you to understand how to utilizing Excel spreadsheet to solve binomial probability. And then I will see you with a different video later. All right, thank you. Bye.